I'm going to show you exactly the 5 essential steps to get you clear skin. Fast, but realistically. I've been where you are, frustrated by my stubborn acne and oily complexion. I figured out what actually works, and I'm sharing those tips with you. So let's dive right in. Step 0. Mindset. There is a lot of clickbait out there claiming you can fix your skin in 1 or 2 weeks. Don't be fooled. Depending on what your skin condition currently is, real changes can take weeks or even months. Now, if you bounce from one routine to another every few days, you will sabotage yourself and potentially cause more harm than good. So instead, you need to accept that it takes time. Skin cells renew in cycles. You won't see massive improvements overnight. Just be patient. And second, stay consistent. The best routine in the world won't help you if you only do it once or twice a week. And third, embrace imperfection. Some days you might skip your routine. That's okay. Just get back on track the next day and think about the long-term consistency. Keep your end goal in mind. Picture yourself with calmer, clearer skin in a few months, and that vision alone can keep you motivated. Moving on to step 1. Skincare routine. The very first thing that we need to do is to determine your skin type, as your routine is going to depend largely on your skin type. Figure out whether you're dry, oily, combination, or normal. But generally, dry skin feels tight, itchy, or flaky. Oily skin, shiny, greasy appearance with larger pores. The combination skin type usually has oily T-zone, so forehead, nose, chin, and dry cheeks. As for the normal skin type, it's usually balanced, small pores, mostly trouble-free. Knowing your skin type lets you select the right products without wasting money experimenting and damaging your skin with incompatible products. So your morning routine would look something like this. We start by cleansing. So you want to use a gentle cleanser to remove excess oils and dirt. If you have oily skin, opt for a foaming or gel-based cleanser. For dry skin, however, choose a creamier cleanser. For example, we've got the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser for oily or combination skin. Now, if you want to remove leftover residue or balance pH, a toner can help. It's not mandatory, so skip it if you're on budget or find it unnecessary. Next, we've got moisturizer plus SPF. A moisturizer that includes sunscreen is critical. SPF protects against sun damage and reduces the risk of hyperpigmentation. An example of this is CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. If you skip SPF, you are more prone to dark spots and premature wrinkles. Moving on to the evening routine, we want to cleanse again. You need to wash off the day's buildup, oil, and pollutants. You can use the same cleanser as in the morning. Again, same idea with the toner as the morning, but it's still optional. And third, we have retinol or acne treatment. Retinol helps unclog pores, reduce fine lines, and fade dark spots. If you are new to retinol, start with a mild concentration, usually around 0.5% or 1%, 2 or 3 times a week. Then you can gradually increase frequency. An example of this is the Lily Anna Naturals Retinol Cream. And lastly, you want to moisturize. Hydration is crucial. You don't want to dry your face out with retinol or acne treatments. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog pores. And lastly, I want to focus on a less is more approach. You certainly don't need 15 products. A simple routine with consistent use often yields the best results. Step 2 is diet. Skincare products help on the outside, but real change also comes from within. What you eat can either fuel breakouts or help calm your skin. Here is how you can tweak your diet for the best results. You want to minimize sugar and processed foods, as these can spike insulin levels, promoting inflammation and breakouts. Less soda, candy, and pastries mean your body experiences fewer swings in blood sugar. And second, you want to incorporate whole foods. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains. Try adopting the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time you eat balanced meals, and 20% of the time you can indulge a bit. Third, balance your macros. You want to focus on proteins found in chicken, turkey, eggs, and fish, healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and seeds, and complex carbs such as brown rice, oats, and sweet potatoes. Now, the fourth, and in my opinion the most important one that helped me personally see the most results, is to increase the hydration. You want to aim for around 2 to 3 liters of water every single day, even more if you are very active. Yes, you'll have to visit the bathroom more often, but your skin will thank you. If you find oatmeal bland, you want to experiment with recipes. Add fruit, cinnamon, or a touch of honey. Little adjustments like that can make healthy food more appealing. Step 3. Exercise. We often underestimate the impact of stress on breakouts. When you are stressed, cortisol spikes, leading to more oil production and inflammation. Working out is an excellent way to counteract that, and this includes any form of exercise, whether it's running, weightlifting, yoga, or swimming. Just move your body. Sweating can help unclog clog pores. Just be sure to shower or cleanse your face soon after a workout so bacteria doesn't linger. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts a week. The regular effort lowers overall stress and can indirectly help keep your skin calmer. If you're new to exercise, start small. Maybe 15 minutes of brisk walking or a short beginner's workout video. Progress at your own pace. Step 4 is to limit social media. This step might sound a little bit odd for a clear skin guide, but it's crucial. Social media can trigger feelings of comparison, stress, and anxiety, all of which can lead to hormonal imbalances that aggravate acne. You don't need to delete Instagram to get clear skin, but if you want to continue using social media, then consider the following. Number 1, unrealistic perfection. Influencers often use filters or post heavily edited photos, showcasing flawless skin that might not be real. So stop comparing yourself to these images that can harm your self-esteem and lead you to obsess over every pimple. Number 2 is time drain. Scrolling social media for hours can interfere with sleep schedules with the blue light exposure, and even stop you from following your own skincare routine or workout schedule if you're up too late. And that takes us to number 3, to limit the usage. Try removing Instagram or TikTok from your phone for a week, or setting strict time limits. I guarantee that your stress and overall mood will improve. And this takes us to the final step, step number 5, prioritizing mental health. Mental health and skin health are deeply connected. When you're feeling depressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, you're less likely to keep up with a routine. Here is how you can stay balanced. 1. Get adequate sleep. You want to aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Lack of sleep increases stress hormones and causes all kinds of health problems. But of course, it also worsens your acne. Number 2 is to practice mindfulness. Whether it's meditation, journaling, or a simple breathing exercise, just a few minutes a day can help lower your stress. Third, avoid burnout. If you are juggling school, work, or personal projects, schedule short breaks to reset. Overextending yourself can affect hormone levels, leading to more breakouts. And finally, seek support if needed. If you struggle with stress or low mood, then consider talking to a friend. Sometimes sharing your struggles lightens the load. When your mental health is stable, you are more motivated to eat well, exercise, and actually do and stick to your skincare routine. To wrap things up, having clear skin is not about finding a magic product that fixes everything in a day. It's a combination of mindset, consistent skincare, and a healthier diet. So don't overcomplicate it. Small, steady actions taken daily lead to a real, lasting improvement. If you fail one day, skip a workout, or forget to wash your face, just do better next time. Over weeks and months, you will see your skin calm down, acne fade, and your confidence grow. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which step you'll be tackling first. And if you found this guide to be helpful, hit the like button and definitely subscribe for more content on improving your daily life and becoming the best version of yourself. See you guys in the next video.